Hi, I'm Jesse with American Radon Mitigation. I'm here with Rachel Malmberg, the homeowner, and we're going to talk about the importance of keeping your air exchanger and makeup air intakes clean. All right, Rachel, so these are your intakes for your makeup air and your air exchanger, which allow fresh air into the house. And this, you can see these screens are totally plugged right now. So right now you're not getting any fresh air to the house, and your air exchanger is exhaust only, so it's only exhausting air. It's not allowing fresh air in, which can actually increase your radon levels. So it's something that's really important to maintain. You can see right now that they're totally plugged. So we're just gonna take a toothbrush about once a month, and I want you to come out here and clean these off like this. And the reason you want to do that is just for the fresh air into your house and then your air exchanger so that can function properly.
Okay.
And there's another important tip for homeowners from American Radon.